I'm Kamoy Williams, and today we're making our beautiful and fragrant mushroom curry with fry bread. It's perfect for spring. Lots of the ingredients can be foraged. The yellows are just like so bright and vibrant, and then you have like the reds and the tartness from the tomato. Just so wonderful and lovely. Oh, this smells awesome too. Some butter, onion. Doing it and doing it well. Curry is like the first complex meal that my mom taught me how to make. It brings me back to my time with my grandmothers in Jamaica. They'd always make curries when I was growing up. So we're gonna cut the lemongrass a little bit larger. I mean, ooh. Don't touch the hot pan, everyone. I'm just gonna burst it open so that I have access to the heat. And some garlic that's already been minced. And we can start adding our coconut milk. You know it's good when you want to dance. Coconut milk, all of the notes are hitting. Just a little bit of thyme on your mushrooms. The fry bread was actually born when I was just starting my culinary journey and I had no money. So I was looking at this curry like my dream as the future of the industry. Bright and fresh and colorful, because through the experience that I had, it's only because of the voices that championed for me that I was able to come out myself.